Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to Mr. 3D. A few days ago, Blender 5.0 was released and it came with a lot of new features and improvements. In this video, we are going to take a look at the new sky model, which is realistic. And if you would like to read more about what's changed, you can check the link in the description, which will bring you right here where you can read more about it. So let's jump right into Blender and see how it looks. Alright, so here I have this scene right here, which I downloaded from Blender Kit. It's a sunset animated background. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete the circle, which is the sun. I will delete it. Then I will go ahead and split the view to the shader editor and the shader type to world. Here you can see we have the sky texture already applied to it. So the new model, which is multiple scattering, replaces the Nishita sky texture, which is now renamed to single scattering. I'm gonna click on sun disk and I will bring the sun disk right here. So it's, in the middle of those mountains and somewhere around here. And I will increase the sun size just about here. So here you can see that we have this beautiful sky, but if you switch it to multiple scattering, you can see the difference right here. The atmosphere is now different, and if you change sun elevation, you can see how it's reacting. So the sunset is more realistic and the sunrise as well, and the transition overall is better. So if I now change it back to single scattering, you can see how fake this looks. Now back to multi-scattering, this is looking beautiful. And if I go a bit further, you can see if I place it right here and change it to single scattering, it's all looking boring and orangish, which is not realistic at all. This also increases the realism of the lighting for your scenes. For example, if you're using this sky texture to light up your indoor scene or maybe some street or a city, multiple scattering will make it look realistic and the colors will be accurate. And of course, we have all this usual stuff right here, the altitude, the air density, the aerosols, and the ozone layer density as well. That's pretty much all about this. Now let me tell you more about Blender Kit. It's one of the biggest Blender assets site, which includes over 109,000 assets, and over 50,000 of those are available for free. However, if you want to access all of the assets, now is the perfect time because they are doing their 7th birthday sale, which gives you 33% off. And if you use my link in the description, you will get additional 7% off. And the total discount is coming to 40%. And it's making it just shy of $3 a month if you choose yearly plan. That's been it. Let me know what you guys think about this update in the comment section below. And if you want to know about the top 3 sky and atmosphere systems for Blender, then you can watch this video right here. And of course, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any future uploads. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.